everyone, welcome to Courseworks Google Ads series. So today we'll be understanding about how we can create YouTube skippable ads through Google Ads account. So whenever we go through the YouTube, or we are searching for any kind of a video or anything, so we click on the video, and in the initial stage we see some videos which says skip ad. So you see a ad, and after 5 seconds, 10 seconds, there they give you the option of skip ad, right? So these are the skippable ads. Today we will run how we can create them, and these ads which are very effective. If somebody skip, it doesn't count your view, but if somebody sees your ad, then only it will count your view and you will be charged. So let us understand how we can quickly create those. So you have to click on new campaign, and once you click on new campaign, uh, we have to choose the option of awareness and consideration, because we want to reach broader audience and we want people to consider our product and service. So we will choose awareness and consideration. Then you have to scroll down and you have to click on YouTube, I mean video, because we want to reach viewers on YouTube and get conversions, right? Next we have to click on video views, and then we have to click on continue. Once you click on continue, now it is showing you that the type is video campaign, the goal is awareness and consideration. I have to give a campaign name, so I will give a skippable ads campaign. Okay, so this is done. Next, we have multi-format ad. It means if I want to show this campaign in multi-formats, in feed, short ads, and skippable, so that can be done. But this is not required because I only want to run the skippable ads. So, because I want that whenever somebody opens any video, my ad should get displayed there at the very initial stage. If then it's a customer choice if they want to skip or if they want to stick to that video. For the skippable ad, the hack is that your video should be very attractive, and starting 10 to 15 seconds should be very catchy, that the person stick to your video and they actually sees, otherwise they will end up skipping the ad. Okay, so we have to make sure. Next we have the bidding strategy, which is maximum cost per view, though this is by default, we cannot change it, so this is fine. Then we have the option of budget and dates. So here we have to add what budget we want to spend and for how many days. So right now it is asking you for a campaign total. So for example, I want to spend 10,000 on this campaign, not more than that, and maybe for 2 weeks, 10,000 for this campaign. So in this case, we use this feature. But I would recommend you that we should go for the daily budget. So we have to choose daily budget, and for example, I want to spend 200 per day initially, so I can add a daily budget of 200, that I want to spend daily 200. And now for how many days? So start date will by default this one, but end date, for example, I want to run for next number of days till 31st December. So this can be done. So this means I am telling Google that daily I want to spend 200 for these many days, right? So this is done. Then we have a option of networks. So this is also fine. We do not have to make any change. Ad will appear on YouTube and Google Display Network. So this is fine. Then we have a location targeting. So in my case, we want to target India. But if you want to target all countries and territories, or if you have any other specific location, like you want to target Delhi or anything, that can be done. And number of locations can be added, but I will choose to India. Then we have the option of languages. For example, I want to target English, Hindi, anybody who speaks English or Hindi, because we are targeting India. But if you want to target the people who speak all kind of languages, you want to target India and the people who are speaking any kind of language, it be Tamil, Telugu, anything, so then this option can be added. Next, we have the option of related video. Along with one video, if you want to target other two videos as well, just for the engagement purpose, that can be done. So you can add up to two videos here, one and two. You can add two videos for the engagement purpose. Then we have to give an ad group name. This is not required. And then we have few targeting options. We have already discussed about the targeting options of YouTube in detail. We have audience, demographic, interest and demographics, and your data. If you have any past data, that can also be targeted. I would recommend you not to target all the targeting options into one ad group. Create different ad groups and use one targeting method per ad group. In one, we can target audience, in one, we can target demographic wise, like age, gender, and all that. In another one, we can target interest wise. So, this is how we can utilize these targeting options. Once you are done with it, you can see the other options as well. There are content targeting methods as well. We can do keyword targeting, we can do topic wise, and we can do the placement targeting as well. Like if I want to place my ad on anybody else's channel, website, and app, that can also be done. If I have a list of keywords, that can be added, and if I want to target topic wise, that can also be done. Next, I have to put a video link. So for example, I am using this video. I have to add it here, and this will pick it up. Now this is asking me for two options, in-feed video ad or skippable in-stream ad. So I want to go for skippable in-stream ad. Now, for an example, I have just taken this video because I do not have a short video. This is the video which is of 10 minutes. But this is recommending me that videos longer than 3 minutes don't usually perform as well as shorter videos. So it means the shorter video perform well. Of and that's for sure. It's an skippable ads, right? So whenever somebody opens any video and if my ad pops up, so if it's a long video, the probably nobody would listen and they will end up skipping that. So that's what I said. The video should be very short. Try to keep it around 30 seconds or 1 minute video, wherein you are giving all the catchy headlines or your message to the point to the customers to bring the engagement. On the right hand side, you can see the preview. Your ad will look like this. Your ad will appear like for 10, 20, 30 seconds. And here it will be the option of skip ad. If somebody skips, of course, your ad won't be there. But if they don't skip and if they stick to the ad, they will be able to see the whole ad. Now I have to give a final URL as well. For example, I want people to click on skip ad, or maybe if I'm giving them a call to action. Here we have a call to action. For example, I have to give a call to action of buy now. Right. Now, if I want a person to click on buy now and I want to redirect them to my website, like what I'm doing is through my YouTube channel, I am taking people to my website and I am running YouTube ads because these are much more cheaper than the pay-per-click ads, right? So in this case, I will choose my website link and I will paste it here in the final URL, and that will be in the displayed URL as well. So my ad will be displayed here. If somebody wants to see the ad, they will be able to see the ad. If they want to skip, my ad won't be there. And in the bottom, this will be a header like this, and it will give them the option of click on buy now. There will be a clickable option. Once they click on buy now, they will be redirected to my website, which I have given the link here. So you have to be very careful and mindful about it, like how you are creating the ad. Now here also by now it says I can give something here like visit website if it works. Yeah, so 15 characters I can say. So this will be displayed like that: visit website buy now. Somebody clicks on buy now and redirected to your website. So this is how we can create the ad, and we can see the different previews. In desktop this will look like this, now on television like this, and then on mobile phones this is how my ad will appear. Once you're done with it, then you have to scroll down and then we have to add a per view cost here. Right now it is asking me for a potential reach. I have to add 1.28. So we'll go with this suggestion because otherwise the campaign won't perform. But if you choose the broader category, if you add only one setting per ad group, and you are targeting broader reach like all countries and territories, all language, so the broader category you have, CPV would be less. And if you narrow it down, if you put a lot of restrictions, if you put a long video, I mean, maybe if it's difficult for Google to reach the relevant audience, then the CPC would be higher. Okay, once I'm done with it, then I have to click on create campaign, and I am good to go. It will show me the settings. I will just quickly review. Okay, this is the end date, India, all languages, awareness and consideration, cost per view, multi formats ad I have turned off because I only want to target skippable ads. Now we'll click on continue, and we are done. So we are done clicking creating the skippable ads. So this is how we can create the skippable ads. These are the ads which are very useful. You can use these ads if you want to give a to the point message to the people. You might have seen some bumper ads or some quick ads where you are giving the call to action as well. You are telling about your product, and then you say shop now, visit the link now, and then when somebody clicks on buy now, they will be redirected to your website. So this is how you can use the strategy of skippable ad, and you can make the best out of it. So I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, if you have any doubts, you can probably drop them in the comment section. I will pick them up. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Do like and share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.